Welcome. Here is how to understand the risk level of each Cowrywise fund. So step 1 is to check the conservative or low risk funds. This focus on preserving your capital. They primarily invest in treasury bills and money market instruments. So returns grow steadily through accumulated interest rather than volatile price swings. Secondly is evaluate the moderate or medium risk funds. This balance safety with growth by splitting assets between low risk debt instruments and higher risk equities. Earnings come from capital appreciation, meaning unit prices fluctuate daily but carry lower total market risk. The fourth thing is review the aggressive or high risk funds. This consists of equity and commodity funds that trade primarily in corporate stocks. They offer the highest long-term potential returns, but their value changes daily based on market conditions, exposing your capital to potential short-term losses. The last one is take the in-app risk assessment. So you navigate to the investment section, just like this on your screen, and complete the quick risk assessment quiz. So let's say, for example, your Naira Fund. So you click on this, you take a short quiz. So the system factors in your financial timeline, age, and goals to automatically tag which funds match your profile. That's all you have to do. Goodbye and happy investing.